All right, we're doing Because of Your Love by Brenton Brown. I'm in the key of G, and I'm going to be doing this little pattern, this little motif that goes from a B to a C and then F sharp to G. I'm also periodically going to slide down here to the 7th, which is a B, and the 8th fret, which is a C, and then back up to the F sharp to the G. And that just kind of gives a little different flavor. I like doing that just at certain times in the song, so you'll see. And with that, here we go. As we come into your presence, we remember every blessing that you poured out so free from above. With gratitude and praises for compassion so amazing, Lord, we come to give you thanks for all you've done. Because of your love, we're forgiven. Because of your love, our hearts are clean. And we lift you up with songs of freedom. Forever we're changed because of your love. As we come into your presence, we remember every blessing that you poured out so free from above. With gratitude and praises for compassion so amazing, Lord, we come to give you thanks for all you've done. Because of your love, we're forgiven. Because of your love, our hearts are clean. And we lift you up with songs of freedom. Forever we're changed because of your love. You're the one that's bringing us freedom. You're the one that's making us new. You're the one that's bringing us healing. We owe it all to you. You're the one that's bringing us healing. You're the one that's making us new. You're the one that's bringing us healing. Owe it all to you because of your love. We're forgiven because of your love. Our hearts are clean. And we lift you up with songs of freedom. Forever we're changed because of your love. We're forgiven because of your love. Our hearts are clean. And we lift you up with songs of freedom. Forever we're changed. Forever we're changed. Forever we're changed because of your love. Because of your love.